Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's videos. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment and really kind of discussing why AMC Entertainment closing above $8 has been such a big deal. A lot of people have definitely been saying, okay, hey, AMC Entertainment closed above $8. Why is that super important to the underlying stock? What is the reason behind it altogether? I hope to hopefully answer that for you guys by the end of the video. But first, we're going to dive in a little bit deeper, kind of what's been going on with AMC Entertainment lately. So, AMC Entertainment, looking at the 1-month chart, as you guys can see, had a pretty high of like $20.34. It definitely was pretty strange to actually see AMC Entertainment just kind of go through that altogether, basically off a Reddit-fueled rally where a lot of these Redditors were buying a lot of these underlying stocks, trying to push them upward as far as possible. So we had GameStop, Nokia, AMC Entertainment, and a bunch of these other stocks were just skyrocketing absolutely to the moon. But taking a look at the 1-week chart and the 1-month chart as well, we can definitely see this decline here, and then it kind of went back up a little bit, and it's kind of been on the decline since. But AMC Entertainment has actually been doing very, very well for itself, and there's many reasons for that. One, company ruled out bankruptcy, which is always a very good sign altogether. And if we take a look at it from a bigger perspective, the only reason AMC Entertainment was able to avoid bankruptcy is just because the stock price ran up so high that, AMC was able to sell stock to basically keep itself afloat. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. And if we dive in a little bit deeper, we actually got news that AMC Entertainment is going to be reopening its movie theaters back again on March 5th in New York City, which is a sign that, that stocks like AMC Entertainment are definitely headed in the right direction. They do plan on reopening up the states altogether. That means, a lot of the stocks like AMC and airlines and all these other stocks are now becoming more eye-opening to investors, just due to the simple fact that, yes, we're trying to get super, super close to recovery. We have vaccines out. Johnson & Johnson just got another vaccine approved. So we have all these medical companies approving all these vaccines, trying to get the world back to the way it was, making these stocks that really took a huge hit because of the pandemic a lot more appetizing. But a lot of people are definitely going to ask the question, is AMC Entertainment worth the buy at $8.20? That's obviously up to you guys. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But if we dive in a little bit deeper and actually take a look about AMC Entertainment and its underlying stock, the stock does have a lot of upside potential from here. The states in itself are trying to reopen up. Movie theaters are going to reopen up, which is definitely going to boost Q1 and Q2 outlooks for AMC Entertainment. AMC Entertainment does have earnings coming up on the 9th of March, so pretty soon here, and it's going to be pretty interesting to say the least to see how AMC Entertainment actually does on their earnings. I don't expect great earnings. I also don't expect super bad earnings. It's definitely not going to be as bad as when, the pandemic first happened. Obviously, AMC Entertainment has not been doing well the last year. Obviously, being in a movie theater, you cannot be in close proximity spaces, which did really tank the stock altogether, and which did cause a lot of people to start shorting the stock, which is probably why AMC Entertainment is one of the most appetizing stocks, is because a lot of people do really want to force out a short squeeze from AMC Entertainment. Is it possible? Absolutely. The company holds about a 60 to 70% short float as we currently speak from the last time I checked, which was just a couple days ago. So yes, the company does have a potential chance of going through a short squeeze. But if we dive into AMC Entertainment, is actually not a bad investment. I said this time and time again that AMC Entertainment movies, they're never going to go away. People love going to the movies, and I can guarantee you guys, it's almost certain that a lot of people are going to be jumping to go back to the movie theater. It's a luxury that a lot of people love who have not been able to do it for a very long time. So I'm expecting definitely some record breakers here in the next couple of months as far as movies go. Because watching brand new movies like Wonder Woman and all these cool movies that are dropping, just watching them at home is just not the same. People want the experience of actually going to the movie theater, which honestly is the reason why I'm actually invested in AMC Entertainment. No other reason besides the fact that the company has very good fundamentals. And I look at it, I'm like, okay, the company's never going to go away. The movies is probably one of the most brilliant business ideas I've ever seen in my life. But enough of that. If you guys want to buy AMC Entertainment stock at $8.20, I absolutely think it is worth the investment. Like I said, just my personal opinion. It's not financial advice, but the stock does have a lot of upside potential from here. But let's talk about why AMC Entertainment closing above $8 is such a big deal. So if you guys don't know, people are trying to kind of force out a gamma squeeze from AMC Entertainment. And if you guys don't know what a gamma squeeze is, it's the price of a stock. It increases based on an investor buying many options to drive up the prices of select stocks due to option sellers needing to hedge their trades on the underlying stock, meaning that there's a lot of people buying a lot of put options in AMC Entertainment. People have to hedge their positions by actually having the shares, so this will actually drive the stock price upward. It's not really a short squeeze per se, but it's also known as a gamma squeeze, but it honestly inflates the option trade, and it makes people have to buy the stock so they can cover their option positions. It's very, very risky for people who put millions and millions of dollars of put options into AMC Entertainment. It's perfect because it's definitely going to drive the stock price upward. Now, how high do I actually think AMC Entertainment can go? Well, it's really tough to say, man. I do think the stock does have the chance to hit $20, $30, $40, but it's also going to depend on the overall kind of circumstances that the stock is presented. Obviously, the stock has been doing pretty well compared to what it was doing a couple of months ago. If we dive into the 3-month chart here, I mean, this thing was trading around $2 a share, and then we see this huge spike up, and then it just kind of slowly sunk down, but it never revisited that $2 mark. It got pretty close until, AMC Entertainment had a bunch of good news, like ruling out bankruptcy, theaters are reopening up again. It's making investors a lot more optimistic, so it does show, that, okay, AMC Entertainment closing above $8 means that there's a lot of put contracts that are expiring, and it's in hopes to actually have to drive the stock price upward. I tried to explain that as best as I could. Hopefully I made that clear as to why AMC Entertainment closing above $8 was such a big deal to a lot of investors. But for the people who have been holding AMC Entertainment, when it was $2 a share, $3 a share, kudos to you guys, because I know you guys are definitely winning big right now on the overall trade. But I do see upside potential for AMC Entertainment without a doubt. I do think the stock does have a lot to offer. I do think the stock has a lot of upside potential. And I honestly do think that AMC Entertainment definitely can see $20, $25, and even $30 without even having to go through a short squeeze. I mean, the company's going to start rebuilding. They just awarded a bunch of bonuses to their top executives. They rolled out bankruptcy. Theaters are reopening where people can now start boosting up their revenue. So that way, AMC Entertainment is definitely going to have a lot more positive outlook, which is just absolutely amazing if people had actually bought the stock early. But it's definitely going to be interesting to see the next trading session on Monday, how the stock actually performs and how the overall stock reacts. I do think that AMC Entertainment is going to go up from here, but even if it doesn't, like I said, the company does have a lot of upside potential, and I honestly think it is worth the investment, $8.20. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment. Do you guys think that AMC Entertainment is worth a buy at $8.20? If you guys own AMC Entertainment stock, how many shares you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.